It's Vlogtober 2024, and this is day number 27. And here's a look back at one of my favorite fall winter recipes. Hello, and let me introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and on my lifestyle channel, I share home decor, cleaning, vlogs, and you know I love cooking in my priceless kitchen. So, if you love cooking, you love easy recipes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell twice. And if you're only interested in cooking, that's not a problem. I have a cooking playlist just for you. I hope that you are enjoying your Sunday afternoon with family and our friends, and that, you have enjoyed a wonderful dinner on today. If you're interested in this recipe, head right on over to my cooking playlist. The full directions and ingredient list will be located in the description box of this recipe. Now I am enjoying this replay and thinking I'll be making a pot of this real soon. Now come on and give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Only a few more days for Vlogtober 2024, and I need you to hang with me. Come on, hang with your girl. Just a few more days. And again, if you're new here, well, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.